So I don't know why this took so much time. So about me, my name is Jay Karthik. I have 4x Salesforce certified and I have 6 related to Salesforce and I have 3 years real life experience related to Salesforce. So that will be more than helpful for you. Keep it in mind. So now in this course, before we jump into the course, first we'll learn what is Salesforce. So now, what is Salesforce? So Salesforce is a CRM. What does CRM stands for? Customer Relationship Management. So I think so many of us have visited Reliance and more or Spencer's or anything, right? So they have a customer relationship management. Whenever you visit to the billing counter, the first thing they take from you is your phone number. So after taking your phone number, they will be sending you promotions like, हाँ sir, please do come आ जाइए आपके पास आपके लिए offer है and something like that, right? So that is known as customer relationship, right? The business having a relationship with customer. So where does Salesforce play a role in this? हमने तो कभी नहीं सुना Salesforce का नाम. So where does it play a role? See, before Salesforce came, what the client used to do is that he or she used to save their data in their own servers. So what it happens is that they need to save their data offline or in their own cloud, which the data production won't be there particularly, or you'll be facing many loss and very hectic. So Salesforce is the first CRM tool that came to the industry, which offered an online thing. So what does it do? It stores your CRM data on cloud. So each and every data of your customer is protected by Salesforce security. So the customer need not worry about data protection or anything. Salesforce takes care of the rest. So the one more key benefit of Salesforce is it's multi-tenant. What is multi-tenant? We'll discuss it later. So now what does Salesforce offer? So for example, if my customer needs Sales Cloud, like for example, I have Mahindra. So he wants to sell cars. He will use the Sales Cloud. And in the Mahindra only, the cars are not working properly. So what do we use? We use the Service Cloud. So for example, I have some sales representative that goes to the customers and they show the app. So at that time I use the mobile application. Then the customers, not the customers, sorry, the partners, the co-workers or your employees, they use Charter. Charter is something in Salesforce. I'll explain to you in depth later. So now there is a marketing thing also. For that we use Marketing Cloud, and now Salesforce also offers Omni Studio, LWC, and all. So we'll discuss each and everything in depth. Don't worry. So now coming to the Salesforce terms. Before jumping to what is Salesforce, before jumping your hands-on onto Salesforce, let's look at the Salesforce terms. So a few of the Salesforce terms are: what is an app? So an app is a Salesforce set of objects. So what do you do? For example, see here, I built a small time pass project called Lemonade Stand. So this one is an app. So app stores the collection of objects. For example, if I have Sales Cloud, I'll be using account, contacts, or something. And if I have if, sorry for that. If I have a service cloud, so I'll be using cases, something, some other thing. So depending on the app, depending on the my usage, I'll define the app name and I'll define the objects that I want to use. So this dotted thing is known as our app launcher. So the next thing is what is object. So many of you are developers, or if you're not a developer, think of it as an Excel table. That's it. So it's a table. For example, let's see. Um, so a table stores a data, nothing much. So for example, I have a table of drinks. So what's the table name? Drinks. So my table name is drinks, as you can see in the example, drink list. Okay, that is known as object. So in an object, we have fields. The fields are columns in the table. So for example, in here I have name and name. So and many things are fields. So what is record? So record, as you can see here, Karthik special. So Karthik is my name and my special mango shake is awesome. So Karthik special is a drink that we serve. So here this is known as the record. This is not this is a specific thing. Okay. Next, coming to the fields, as we have discussed, fields are the columns. So I think you have gotten a basic idea what is an app, what is an object, what is record, what is field. So never confuse what is what. So once we are done with this, next let's move on. Um, so Salesforce architecture, the thing that I talked about previously. So what did I tell you? It's a multi-tenant cloud. What does multi-tenant mean? It sounds very fascinating, right? It sounds like something complicated, something very big people know. That's not the case. Multi-tenant in a simple way is that like you using your car from point, for example, from New Delhi to Goa, my favorite destination place. When you're going from New Delhi to Goa, so if you use your car, it costs for you around like 10,000 rupees, for example. How much does it cost? 10,000. So for me, it's very big amount. So for example, if I use a car, I'll pay 10,000. Now, what does multi-tenant means? Many users use the same resource. It's simple way. So what do? I'll book a bus. So what does the book cost for me? Two bus, sorry. What does the bus cost for me? 2,000 rupees. So in a way, I'm saving 8,000 rupees and nothing. See, the security, the computing power, the data storage, and core features are all shared. And the main thing is that you don't need to worry about anything. Salesforce takes care of everything. So you need not worry about anything. Now let's move ahead to the thing, other things. So here, as you can see in this image, see, as I was saying that sales, service, marketing, community analytics, apps, everything is the application portal. And see, as you can see a swimming duck, right? People only see the face of the duck, but only the duck knows how much hard it takes. It swims. So below the applications, there is a lot of thing happening by Salesforce. So one of the thing is that Lightning. Now we have Lightning Web Components. Heroku is also a Salesforce company. Einstein, the future of Salesforce computing. Now in Einstein only they launched a thing called Omni Studio. So this will be our future. And IoT and Social Studio, Thunder, CRM data, data management portal, everything. So Salesforce takes care of everything. Now after this, let's move ahead to the next slide. So this is known as Salesforce setup. So what does setup mean? Setup is nothing but like see, setup a user never goes to a setup and an admin always works in a setup in a simple way. So setup is only for admin and developer. A user never uses setup until he needs a small work. So setup is your home ground. You play here. It's like a coach's ground. So in the setup, the first thing you need to know is object manager. So what are objects? As we know, they are tables of Salesforce. So object manager is where you find the list of all custom and standard objects. Standard object stands for the Salesforce actually provides a list of few objects, right? Salesforce has account and something else. So in standard objects, these are all covered. And in custom object, if your organization requires something, you create something. So that is each and everything are found in object manager. In object manager, you'll find everything. Next thing is setup menu. The setup menu gives a quick look about everything. So if you need everything, here is a quick find. Just go here and type whatever you want. For example, I want to see how many users are there, like each and every user information. So I'll type users, or I can go here and press this. Okay. If I don't see here, I'll just type here and I'll find. For example, if I want to um company information, like how many licenses are there and everything. I'll just type company information here and Salesforce returns the settings. So next thing is that the main window. Here we'll be showing everything, like most recently used settings here. See, I use this pre-qualified and this thing. I looked about this user type. See, this is custom field and everything. Next thing is that, see, three main categories in setup. We have here, right, categories in setup. First thing is that administrator. So what is the work of administrator? Administrator in real life terms we call them as support people also. It's nothing wrong, nothing right. Administrator stands for whatever the users need. Like it's the real term. They deal with the production. Like admin deals with production. So what does administrator handle is that, see, if users need to be added or license needs to be revoked or anything, they handle data importation. Each and everything related to data must be handled by an administrator, and change permissions will be handled by an administrator. So the next thing is that the platform tools. So the platform tools are nothing but whatever the tools you'll be working on, like modify user interface or anything. So the third thing would be finally settings, like company information, as I was saying that hours, business hours, and everything will be handled here. So I think that you got a quick glimpse about what is Salesforce. Stay tuned to next class